Today's topic is C34PRO Installation Tutorial Episode 1. The configuration include ATX and liquid cooler and ATX long GPU. First, remove the outer shell. Please use the PH2 screwdriver to loosen the screws. Cut the cable ties and temporarily place them outside. According to the motherboard fixing position, screw the corresponding position with the nut column screws. Install the I/O shield. Install the motherboard. Fix with round head screws. Install the liquid cooler fasteners. Plug in the CPU cable and fans cable. Install the RAM. Apply silicone grease. Fix the CPU block. Plug in the CPU block and fan cables. Thread the cables from the top of the case. This will help us organize the cables. The fixed position of the radiator. Plug in the 24-pin cable and switch cable, hard disk cable, etc. Tie the cables to facilitate the following installation. Next, install the fans located at the bottom of the case. You can also hide the excess wire under the fan. The bottom compatible with two 12 cm or 14 cm fans. Fix the power supply to the PSU holder. This side of the holder is aligned with the PSU fan face. Connect all the cables to the PSU, including the hard drive cables and GPU cable. Connect the power extension cable and turn on the switch. The fixed position of the PSU holder. A hard drive or fan can be installed at this position, but you need to consider whether the length of the PSU will conflict. Power supply up to 200mm ATX. The fan or hard drive cannot be installed when installing 200mm ATX. We choose 160mm ATX for demonstration. There is no space to install the fan, but the hard disk can be installed. Install the shock absorber quick installation screws. The direction of the connecting finger face to the hollows of holder. The position marked with H on the back is the fixing position of the holder. Several fixed positions are available at the back. Two 2.5-inch hard drives can be installed on the back. First, remove the hard drive holder. The direction of the connecting finger is shown in the video. The screws are fixed from the side of countersunk hole. Cross the hard drive cable through this hole, and then plug in the motherboard. Remove the PCIe dust strip. Install the graphics card. Plug in the graphics card power cable. The maximum length of the GPU is 335mm. Power on and test for successful installation. Then, we can start to organize the cables. Tie the cables with zip ties. The cables can be hidden under the fan or the radiator. CPU cable and power extension cable can be hidden under the radiator. According to the hard drive location, please adjust the position before installing the decorative panel. Clip panel into the upper opening. Fix with round head screws. Fix a screw here. Finally, reinstall the shell with countersink head screws. Fix the foot pads with long screws.